Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these KeyStyle Heart Earrings. First, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So your earrings will come in a box just like this. I'm going to go ahead and open it just to show you everything that comes inside of your box. So inside of your box, you will receive this little baggie along with your earrings in a little plastic bag. So they are separated. The little bag is just for you to go ahead and put your earrings away whenever you're done with them. And then here we have the earrings. So we go ahead and open them up. So these earrings are in my birthstone. My birthstone is Sapphire, so it is for the month of September, but they are available in all of the birthstones. So if your birth month is in September, then you can go ahead and check the other styles they have available in your birth month color. Also, these are available in silver, but they are also available in gold. So you're able to select from either gold or silver. These are 0.925 sterling silver. I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look now on these earrings. Check them out. Super cute. The sapphire in the middle, the little studs all around it in the heart shape. Now they do have a little butterfly clasp, and they also came with two little additional backers. All right, so let's go ahead and try them on, see what they look like. All right, check it out. These earrings are super nice, super dainty earrings. They have a nice sparkle, nice shimmer. Take a look. They look perfect from far. They are super cute. I love the heart style. And like I mentioned, they are available in silver and in gold. These earrings are perfect for yourself or for a gift for a loved one or for a birthday gift, Valentine's Day, even a Christmas gift. Here is a quick overview of the earrings, the backers, the little jelly pieces, the box along with the bag. So if you've been looking for some heart-shaped birthstone earrings, then definitely check these out. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.